Jeffrey, there's no AC.
What?
There's no cold air coming out. Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Helen. Today I'm going to show you how to put refrigerant on a Porsche Cayman. Because the AC compressor is buried under the engine cover and insulation, it would be very hard to access for inspection. So you gotta check it from the AC vents in order to check if it's starting to blow cold air. Alright, let's start! Open the front trunk or frunk. So I'm going to remove the center cover. It's being held by two fasteners. You just turn it counterclockwise and then they should release. Remove the passenger side cover. So now I'm going to start the car's engine. And wait until the car warms up to its normal operating temperature. Put the blower to its max speed and set the temperature to its lowest setting. So this is the refrigerant. You gotta shake this well before you connect to the low pressure valve. Remove the cover of the low pressure valve. Connect the refrigerant's nozzle. Push until you hear a snap. As you can see on the gauge, there's no pressure on the AC line. Alternately shake and then press the trigger to refill. As you can see, it's starting to refill slowly. Continue doing it until you get to the arrow on the middle part. As I've mentioned earlier, since I can't see the AC compressor, I gotta check it or feel it from the AC vents. It's not scientific, but I guess it should help. And there you have it, 40 psi. Thank you for watching How to Helen, and see you in the next video.